On a bright and sunny day, a gorilla and a funny cow were walking happily through the forest, searching for food.
Huh? What? Nani?
Run.
Oh no!
Okay, let's go.
Huh?
Cow trapped. Help.
Let's go.
Nope.
Okay, let's go.
Nope.
Let's go.
Angry! I'm so goddamn angry!
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Nani? Nani? Oh no! Thank you!
Ready, steady, go.
Hey, how you doing, love mama? Let me whisper in your ear. Tell you something that you might like to hear. Got a sexy ass body.
Nani?
No, no, no.
Let's go.